Hi, today I'm running the OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to change screen recording quality settings on this device. So we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings, then tap to screen recording settings section and you'll see here picture section. Click to definition and by this way you'll switch the quality from medium to high, low, or to set the custom quality. Also we got one more way how we can do that. We should first open the notification panel shortcut and from the control panel you could launch screen recording settings and to use screen recording option, but first you should add this option to your panel. To do that, click to this edit icon, find here screen recording option, add it to your home screen by hold and drag it, then click to go back and now you'll see here screen recording icon. Just hold it for a while and by the same way you will see here all of the screen recording settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.